Installation video of the CM-OC-020 chair. After receiving the goods, first, we install the seat cushion, leg brackets. There are 2 holes. Place it towards the front of the seat cushion. Then we use a cylinder screw to install it and tighten it with a hex wrench. Then install the other end. There is only 1 hole to install. The other leg bracket is installed in the same way. Next, we find the crossbar. Connect the left and right leg brackets in the middle and align the screw with the holes on both sides. Then fix it. And then tighten it with a wrench. Then press the footrest into the hole of the bracket. If the footpad can't be pressed tightly by hand, use a heavy object to knock it in. Since the footpad plays a stabilizing role, if it is not fully pressed, it will easily fall off. Then we find the armrest, align with the side hole, and install it with a thick screw. First, insert all the screws into the holes and fix it with a wrench. Don't tighten the screws completely when fixing to make it easier for later installation. The other armrest is installed in the same way. Finally, align the backrest with the holes on both sides. The top hole is installed with the longest 6 screw. After inserting the screws into the holes and tighten them one by one with a wrench, align the other side with the hole. Insert the screw and fix it. After tightening all the screws completely, a chair is installed.